If you've watched my last two videos, you're ready to actually start investing. But most beginners get stuck right here. They don't know where to click, what account to open, or what to buy first. So today, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to start investing from scratch. No jargon, no confusion, just clear actions. By the end of this video, you'll know where to open your investing account, what type of account to choose, how to deposit money, and how to buy your very first ETF. If you follow this once, you'll officially become an investor today. Most people never become investors for one simple reason. They never get past this step. They watch videos, read posts, learn concepts, but they never open the account. And if you never open the account, you never invest. You never compound. You never build wealth. So this video is the most important one in the series because this is where learning turns into action. To invest, you need a brokerage. This is simply the platform that holds your investments. There are many good options, but in this video, I'll use Fidelity. Why Fidelity? No trading fees, no account minimums, fractional share investing, strong reputation, built for long-term investors. Other major brokerages work similarly, but using one consistent example keeps things simple. Opening an account takes just a few minutes. You enter basic personal information, verify your identity, choose a username and password, and once that's done, your investing account is ready. No phone calls, no paperwork, no complicated approval process. If you can open a social media account, you can open a brokerage account. Next, you choose the type of account. For complete beginners, a standard individual investing account works perfectly. Later, you can explore retirement accounts like a Roth IRA. But for starting out, keep it simple. Open a regular brokerage account. You can always add more account types later. The key is starting. Once the account is open, you link your bank account. Then you transfer in your starting amount. It can be $1, $10, $100, whatever you're comfortable with. Remember, starting small is fine. Starting at all is what matters. Now comes the exciting part, buying your first investment. Instead of picking a single stock, we choose a broad market ETF. This ETF owns hundreds of companies at once. It gives instant diversification, lower risk, long-term market growth. On Fidelity, you simply search the ETF ticker, click buy, enter the dollar amount, confirm. And just like that, you're an investor. No guessing, no gambling, just a proven long-term strategy. After you buy your ETF, your job is simple. Add money regularly, stay invested, ignore short-term noise. Over time, compounding takes over. Your money starts growing. Then the growth grows. Then the growth of the growth grows. That's how real wealth is built. Let's look at the payoff. If you invest $200 per month into a broad market ETF, after 10 years, about $37,000. After 20 years, about $120,000. After 30 years, about $300,000. After 40 years, nearly $750,000. That's from simple monthly investing. No stock picking, no day trading, just consistency. And that's it. You now know exactly how to start investing. Open the account, deposit money, buy a broad market ETF. That single process is the difference between people who build wealth and people who only think about it. Subscribe.